Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look. If you guys like it, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a fall look for you guys. I wanted to go with this really pretty sexy look. It's like a fall type of look. I was going for that smoky top and just like a smoky bottom, and I also want to just put glitter on. I just wanted to do something I never did before. I'm actually just getting to know myself. Like, you know how you're not used to doing your own makeup yourself and you're just getting into the CoverGirl beauty material type of stuff. That's just something that I'm doing. Like, I'm really getting to know me and getting to know the things that I like to do. So if you guys like this, make sure you guys go ahead and keep on watching, and make sure you guys are thumbs up this video. But if you guys want to go ahead and tune into this wig, make sure you guys look down in my description down below, and I'll have everything down there. I also have the products that I use down at the bottom of the video so that you guys can go ahead and purchase this. And yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys exactly what I use for my face. Yeah, just gonna be taking you to the steps that I use. And I was just going for like a natural beat on the face, and that's just something I was going for. I was going for that like smoky eye, and I was gonna do like a cat eye look, but I was just like, you know what, let's just keep it like this. And I think I nailed it. What do you guys think? If you guys like it, make sure you guys go ahead and keep on watching, and make sure you guys go ahead and thumbs this video up because I'm moving on to the next video. Bye. So with my eyebrows, I usually just arch them before I put anything on. And that's just something I like to do. I usually just arch them myself, or I'll go to the nail salon and get them waxed. Recently, I usually just like, you know, leave them how it is, like thick. I usually just start like right here, and I'm just gonna let the others out. Because I want that like tint look like right here on my eye. So I'm just gonna let that part stay. Concealer I'm going to be using today is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to be laying this on my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. concealer, and this is the matte finish, and I'm just going to go in and use this onto my eye, onto my eyelids. Supposed to go in and wet my sponge, but I didn't. But it's still gonna get the job done. Best thing to do is just wet your sponge before you go in and put any type of concealer on your eyes. I'm gonna go in and use my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just gonna put this on my eyelids just so I can set my eyelid. So I'm gonna use my Truth or Bare makeup palette. So I'm gonna use this darker purple and I'm just gonna add it right here. So I'm just gonna use a darker purple and I just wanna make it look like a fall color. And I'm just laying it right here. And I'm just going in circular motion just to blend it out. And this gives me that smooth, smoky look on the eye. As you guys can see, can you guys see that? It's like giving it that smoky eye type of look, and that's just something that I want. I didn't want to go in with just throwing on a darker color because I want it to be like a lighter at the top. And then when I get in the middle, I want it to be like a slight little light or a dark or something. And I'm just gonna use a different type of brush. But with this brush, I like to go in and use one of these. And what I'm doing is just patting. I don't wanna like smear it on because if you smear it, the color is not gonna show up exactly how you want it. So you wanna go in circular motion with this. I'm gonna go in with this darker purple and I'm just gonna put it right here. See how it's giving it that smoky eye look? That's just something that I was going for. I was kind of scared because I kind of thought that it wasn't going to turn out right with the darker color. I usually don't use darker colors on my eyes because I kind of feel like I'm light skinned and it kind of make it look like it's giving a black eye. But we're just going to keep going. So I'll probably go back in and use that first color that I had on my top lid. I'll probably just go ahead and use that on my crease. So I use my Norris foundation and I'm just putting it all over my face, what I already did, which my camera already cut off. I like to mix my concealers too as well. And I'm just gonna be putting this right here. I like to put a little bit. Now this dries up so fast, so I'm gonna have to hurry up and blend this because this dries super duper fast. And I think I want to put some eyeshadow at the bottom of my eyes so that it can pop a little bit more. So that's what I'm gonna do when I continue to do my whole face. So I'm gonna mix my concealer using the e.l.f. and then using my LA Girl Pro concealer. I usually do this a lot, so. I'm gonna go in and set my face with the Laura Mercier setting powder. And I really don't use too much on my face. So I'm going to be putting my eyelashes on, then I'm going to come back on and do my lips. And I'm going to come back on. I'll be back. I'm gonna go in and use my True Bare and go under with a darker tone. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with a darker color and put something under here. I think that's really pretty. And I just want to add like a little pop underneath the eye. Guys, I don't know why my eyes are getting watery right now. I love e.l.f. lip plumper, and this is how the e.l.f. plumper looks, and I really like this lip plumper. It stings a little bit, but I still like it. It gets the job done. It's like a bubblegum type of look, and I'm really in love with these. I need to go get some more because I'm running out, but I'm using that to put on my lips. And I think I'm done. What do you guys think? I love the eye. Done with the look, guys. If you guys like it, make sure you guys go ahead and click that thumbs up button. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. What do you guys want me to do next? Yeah, I'm done with the look. Hope to see you guys back in another video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, talk to you guys really soon.